In 2026, meetings are no longer just discussions. They're data-gathering exercises that can leave even the most organized professionals drowning in a sea of notes. Did you know that the average employee spends around 30% of their workweek in meetings, resulting in an estimated 11 million meetings happening every day in the United States alone? Today, we'll show you how to streamline your meeting workflow by leveraging AI-powered meeting assistants. These assistants can take notes for you, but more importantly, they can summarize discussions, identify key action items, and even provide personalized follow-ups. The key to unlocking their full potential lies in choosing the right tool and learning how to use it effectively. In this tutorial, we'll focus on integrating an AI-powered meeting assistant into your workflow using the MeetingSphere app. First, let's download and install the MeetingSphere app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button.